Good morning, students. I hope you all are well at your home. First lesson is concept of physical education. What do you think about physical education? At school level, physical education is generally known as physical training, PT, and physical education teacher as physical training instructor. It is so because not many people understand the difference between physical training, physical activity, physical exercise and physical education. But there is lots of difference between in these terms. As per me, physical education is the education through physical activities for the development of the total personality of the child to its fullness and perfection in body, mind and soul. In the next slide, there is a definition of physical education according to the J.B. Nash. Physical education is that phase of whole field of education that deals with big muscle activities. In fact, I want to add one more definition here. According to the Charles A. Bucho, the development of physically, mentally, emotionally and socially fit citizens through the medium of physical activity, which have been selected with a view to realizing these outcomes. Next slide. We discuss the aim and objective of physical education. Wholesome development of an individual is the aim of physical education, and this aim can be achieved step by step. These steps are called objectives. So, it is said that aim is one, but objectives may be many in numbers. The main objective of physical education are physical development, mental development, emotional development, social development, development of health, and the last is neuromuscular coordination. So let's start with the physical development. Physical development is the development of our organic system such as circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, muscular system and digestive system. When we perform physical activities, there are various effects of these activities on our organic system. These systems are developed in size, shape, efficiency, etc. If our systems remains in sound health, then we can perform their function in an effective way. Next is mental development. This objective is related to the mental development of an individual. The various physical activities of physical education program needs alertness of mind, deep concentration and calculated movements. Physical activities sharpen the mind, and on the other hand, to perform various activities, concentration of mind is essential. Physical education includes rule and regulation, technique of games, anatomical and physiological studies, balanced diet, health and disease, personal hygiene, etc. In this way, mental development takes place, and he is able to understand the new situation which are faced in the game, and he is enable him to take a correct decision independently. Next is social development. This objective is related to the development of social traits, which are essential for better adjustment in life. Each and every individual wants to have leader-like qualities. Through physical activities, the player who belongs to different place come closer to one another. They adjust themselves according to the situations. Human relations are developed. It is a better source for attaining the quality like cooperation, courtesy, fair play, sportsmanship, tolerance, etc. Next is neuromuscular coordination. This objective is concerned with the better relationship between nervous system and muscular system. These activities of physical education provide ample opportunity for the better neuromuscular coordination. Good neuromuscular coordination helps to keep off fatigue during rigorous activities. The proper use of our energy can be made if we are having good neuromuscular coordination. We get accuracy and smooth function of our body. In doing physical activities, our reaction time become less. In fact, these activities helps in making efficient movement of our body. So through physical activities, our neuromuscular coordination become efficient. Next is emotional development. Emotional development of an individual is also the major objective of physical education. Every individual has very types of emotion as such as pleasure, hope, jealousy, hate, anger, loneliness, etc. If any individual does not have appropriate control over these emotions, he becomes abnormal or uncontrollable. The emotions are vital for every individual, but excess of these is always bad. The program of physical education development these emotions and also teach us to have proper control over our emotions. And the last is development of health. The development of health is also an objective of physical education. This development health related habits through health education. This is also provide education about the prevention of communicable diseases. The programs of physical education in modern age reduce the anxiety, stress and tension up to the large extent so that the health of individual could be promoted. Thank you boys.